Hey, welcome to Asani Point. Today we will guide you regarding investment techniques. I will be guiding you about a legit and authentic investment scheme. This scheme is called mutual funds. Early investment in mutual funds will help you get monthly revenue, buy house or some property, plan higher education and children marriage. Now let me explain you its mechanism. Consider a basket in which multiple people deposit their investments. Once the investment is collected, a fund manager distributes the investment of these people in multiple schemes. Similarly, these schemes return profit and loss, which in the form of gains or loss is shared upon the mutual fund investors. Now you must be thinking about the loss. But don't worry, I will explain it later on how mutual funds are less risky. A mutual fund manager is a financial professional employed by an asset management company who is responsible for making investment decisions on behalf of a group of investors in a mutual fund. They use their knowledge of the market, financial analysis skills, and experience to identify potential investments that align with the fund strategy. They evaluate the risk associated with different investments and strive to balance potential returns with risk mitigation. You must be thinking where these mutual funds are invested. So mutual funds are invested as per the risk profile of the mutual fund. It can be invested in stocks, government securities, bonds, real estate and commodities. There are multiple types of mutual funds. Equity funds are a type of mutual fund that invest in stocks and shares of companies. They are a type of collective investment product that can provide capital appreciation over time. An income fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that generates income for investors through interest payments, dividends, or bond yields. Dividend yield funds are equity-oriented schemes that prioritize stocks with high dividend yields. These companies are typically stable, making such funds suitable for investors seeking equity exposure with relatively lower volatility. Money market funds are a type of mutual fund that invest in short-term debt securities. They are a low-risk, stable investment option for money that you need to access quickly. Now let's move towards risk profiling of mutual funds. They are categorized into low, medium and high. This profiling depends upon where these funds are invested and how volatile they are in terms of risk. Mutual fund apps allow their users to have complete access to the previous performance of the respective fund and the user's account statement. These apps provide facility to easily deposit and withdraw money. To start investing in mutual funds, you should have access to the following: mobile phone, internet access, and initial investment as low as 500 rupees. The registration process is hassle-free. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe Asani Point and stay tuned.